I'm trying to see how close I can get these seagulls to me. Because I find this absolutely funny. Get some more food for them. No, come back. See how close I can get them. Yeah. Oh, it's a duck. There's that one flipping. Get away from my coffee. Let's see how close I can get them. That was very tiny. See if they'll go for a big one right there. Nope, they won't do it. Oh, wait. I like that one. I like that brown one. You. Aww. Let me see if I can put this down. See if I can get him to do that again. Okay, there's him. See if he catches it in his mouth. Oh, you missed. Let's try this again. You got it. I want that duck to come over here. Let's try something. Duck! Here. Let's see if I can get him again. Come on, I want the duck. Ugh. You freaking single suck. Get away. Quiet, you can have it. I like you. I wonder if they'll eat gummy bears. Hey, you be quiet. Here you go. Let's see if you can catch it in your mouth. Aww. The duck is back! happens. Ah, you want it? You want it? That was so mean. Shut up. Hey, it worked. Oh, that brown one's mean. You don't get any. Here you go. Huh? Here you go. Oh, you've been quiet. It's for you. The duck! Haha, the duck got it. Okay, yeah, I'm sick of this brown one. You want it? Here you go. Here you go. Dang it! That brown one is just so mean. Here. One for you. Oh, the duck. Hey, you, in the air. Here you go. Oh, my last one. Ah. There we go. Here you go. Alright, put that down and get some gummy bears. See if they like that. Oh, wow. You can't eat it. Okay, smaller pieces of it. Gummy bear. 10. But they don't like it. Apparently, seagulls do not like gummy bears. So I got nothing left for you. How about a red one? Jeez. Oh, he doesn't like them. Ducks like gummy bears? Let's see. Duck can't find the gummy bear. Oh, you're late to the party. I wonder how long it's going to take me to figure out I have no more food.